Hello my people, welcome to my channel and be with me in the kitchen to prepare waffle. Now we'll have to add 2 eggs, 2 cups of milk, 1 small glass of butter, this is a butter, 1 big spoon of baking powder, then you will have to mix this first. After this, we add a quart of sugar, this is sugar. Then you add 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. Then you add a little salt, just a small mini salt, small mini spoon of salt. So we'll mix them. After mixing, make sure that it's thick. And you don't forget that the milk must be warm, not cold, warm, so that your waffle will be too good. Don't forget that. At this point, we cover it and leave it for 10. Now the dough is ready, too thick, and we have to put inside the waffle machine. And make sure that the secret is here. Don't just start putting it. Make sure that you open the waffle machine 6 minutes before. Okay. Not too much, just a little. Then you close it. After you put your loaf inside the waffle machine, you have to leave it for 5 minutes. Then you'll have to open it and your waffle will be ready. And make sure that the color is brown. It must be in brown color. Now this is how your waffle should be look like, brown. You see, this is the waffle. It's yummy, too sweet. If you have seen this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, to subscribe, and if you have a question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you, bye.